welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, well, congrats, you just found me. I am Bhavna, and this is only my second video and first time vlogging and editing. So please go easy on me and just pretend you're loving it, okay? So today I'm taking you through a week in my life. So grab a snack and just chill with me. Today was honestly the most random day ever. Like हमने बस ऐसे suddenly decide किया कि आज हम go karting करने वाले हैं and before heading there हमने एक छोटा सा snack stop लिया and the whole time I was teasing my brother because उसे camera ही नहीं hold हो रहा था properly and it was so funny. Then our little pit stop we finally reached to go karting tracks and there was this really sweet uncle standing at the entrance and वो सबको ऐसे greet कर रहे थे. So I decided to mess around. तो मैंने उनको बोला कि अंकल प्लीज़ आप मेरे vlog में हाय बोलोगे and he was like
Hello, bye.
So after the cutest welcome from that uncle हमने decide किया कि हम 19 laps करेंगे and जो फर्स्ट आएगा वो लाइक उसको जो चाहिए होगा उसको वो मिलेगा. सो मैंने बोला कि ठीक है जो फर्स्ट आए अगर मैं फर्स्ट आई तो मैं ड्राइव करके लेके जाऊँगी कार घर तक. एंड ही वाज लाइक कि नहीं नहीं तुझे ये तो कभी हो ही नहीं सकता, तुझे तो आती ही नहीं है. एंड ट्रस्ट मी आई वाज लुकी नर्वस बिकॉज मैंने ऐसा कभी कुछ ड्राइव ही नहीं किया था. लाइक इट्स माई फर्स्ट टाइम ड्राइविंग एनी थिंग लाइक दिस एंड मैंने उसको शो नहीं होने दिया. एंड आई वाज लाइक नहीं तू ही हारने वाला है. सो ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट था एंड ये चीट भी कर रहा था लाइक. एंड गेस व्हाट हैपेंड नेक्स्ट, ही बम्प्ड स्ट्रेट इनटू द टायर्स. बाय भैया, बाय बाय.
Bye bye.
So yeah, I won the race, which means I got to drive us back home. So it's the next day and I was the most excited because like after forever I'm finally getting my nails done. But before, a quick outfit check because the shirt, the color, it just complement my skin tone so well. So I had to hype myself up before heading out. So I was obviously late to my nail appointment because when am I ever on time? It was supposed to be at 10 but I casually walked in at 12. Like it was no such big deal. But honestly though, even she had forgotten I was coming. So we just laugh it off and start catching up. I pulled out my inspo pic being so picky. I was like, यार ऐसे ही nails चाहिए मुझे, okay? So बिल्कुल same चाहिए, so no compromise. And we were just laughing and just like gossiping about everything, literally everything, like life, people, random dramas, and basically turning my nail appointment into 3-hour therapy session. Yeah, you heard it right, 3 hours. But look at these nails, they turn out so good. I'm literally obsessed. Like I keep on moving my hand around just to stare at them. They're exactly what I wanted and I don't even want to touch anything because they are too pretty, you know.
A few moments later.
So, right after my nail appointment, I didn't even get a second to breathe. I had to go straight for Rakhi shopping with my mom, and honestly, I was already so drained at that point. But with us, it's always the same thing every damn single year. Like, हम राखी शॉपिंग हमेशा लास्ट मोमेंट पे करते हैं. ये हमारा फैमिली रिचुअल हो चुका है अब. So we were just going from one shop to another, checking out Rakhi's gifts, sweets, all of that. And the worst part is, instead of being focused, we just kept getting distracted. Like 1 minute we were looking at Rakhi's, and the next we were checking random things we didn't even need. Like हमने बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें purchase की थी जो हमें चाहिए भी नहीं थी. So by the time we were done, I swear to God, my legs were given up on me. I was carrying bags, and my mom was still full on shopping mode. And I was literally just thinking about my bed and the whole time. And when we reached home, I just changed my clothes and I didn't even touch my phone. Honestly, I dropped everything and just passed out. That's how hectic the day was.
The next day.
So it's finally Raksha Bandhan and obviously I was super late. Like मेरे घर पे मुझे सब गुस्सा कर रहे थे कि जल्दी कर जल्दी कर जल्दी रेडी हो जा, लेट हो गए हैं. But I was moving just at my own pace. Like मुझे रेडी होना इतना पसंद है और मैं उस चीज़ में बिल्कुल कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं करती. सो आई वॉज टोटली अनबॉदर्ड एंड ऑनेस्टली जस्ट लिविंग इन द मोमेंट. So I didn't vlog vlog much, but by the evening though, me and my cousins we were so bored. We decided to step out and grab something to eat. And honestly, my younger brother was being so dramatic. Like वो बहुत dramatic है कि उसको क्या खाना है, उसे क्या चाहिए. And he was being just himself. But honestly, it felt so good just hanging out with them. I know you guys can relate, like after fighting the whole day, literally yelling at each other. And suddenly we are sitting together and acting like nothing ever happened. That's just siblings for you guys. And so, a few days later, I was really craving a grilled sandwich and pav bhaji. Like my comfort food craving were on another level. Like 2 दिन बाद से तो जिम जाना है ना, तो why not अभी एक cheat meal कर लेते हैं, फिर तो डाइट करनी होगी ना. So but oh my god, it was so hot that day we literally couldn't sit outside, so we decided to chill in the car and eat. Before I dig in, here's a quick little outfit check for you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow. So, after my gym, I went straight to the pet shop to grab some treat for my baby Snowbell. And oh my god, look at this! There was this cute little dog just sleeping there. And I was literally couldn't resist petting him. It looks so adorable, like oh my god. मैं इसे घर लेके जा सकती हूँ, but Snowbell पक्का मुझे डिसोन कर देगा. But then it hit me. I hadn't even had my breakfast, so I grabbed snow treats and rushed back home.